What you're looking at is we're cooking our lunch for the birthday of Farmer Willie. And so here we had do our improvised grilling. As you can see, there's stems of wood. And we make the barbecue wood of bamboo. And then just put some wood that we made into charcoal. And then you start grilling. This is not the usual place that you do grilling, but that's what the life here in the mountainside is. You can do your cooking camping style all the time. Although they do have their little kitchen up there, but for cooking with no fuss is just they just get all the resources all around, like all the dried wood. They burn first and to make it charcoal, and then they make the pole out of bamboo stick that they get from the side. There's loads of bamboo. And then when the fire, the ember died down, that's when they starts grilling. Then after that, when it's all off, they just put it near the stream that all the embers will be off. So this is about like cooking in the mountainside. So the grilling is almost done. You know, Odito was bitten by this girl. The girl lives here and she's used to it here. Anad magay kaglitsyon ga. So she knows how to make it close. What is the stage to make it closer? It's just made of the sticks of wood, and then they get some more sticks of wood to make it charcoaling. As the embers catch the wood, they will knock down the fire when it starts to flame up. So it just continue like that. So this is cooking in the mountainside. So the grilled fork is almost done now. You got two apprentices doing the roasting